Welcome to Cherry's classroom. Today's lesson is describing and illustrating the different kinds of angles. A figure formed by two lines or rays meeting at a common endpoint is an angle. Two rays, 1 and 2. Common endpoint. An angle. Acute, right, and obtuse angles. Look and observe. To understand more about angles, look at the space between these lines. The space here in right angle measures 90 degrees. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 degrees. When it measures more than 90 degrees like this, it is not a right angle anymore. We call it obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. This angle measures 115 degrees. It is more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Obtuse angle. When an angle measures less than 90 degrees and greater than 0, it is an acute angle. This one measures 40 degrees. 40 degrees is less than 90 degrees and greater than 0. Therefore, it is an acute angle. Now you know that. Right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is an angle that measures more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees and more than 0. Obtuse angle, right angle, and acute angle. More than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, and exactly 90 degrees. Now let's name some angles. Ray CH and ray CL shared the same endpoint. So here we can see an angle. The shared point is called the vertex. We use the vertex to name the angle. Angle C. This is the short form of naming an angle. Angle C. Angle C. This is angle C. Angles can also be named in long form using the 3 letters. So angle C here is also angle HCL. Angle HCL. Or angle LCH. That's all for today. For more of these lessons, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye!